I'm Ejesu from Unless. Today, we'll look at how you can move your awareness stage visitors further down the funnel with an optimized experience. When it comes to B2B sales, the process can take a rather long time compared to B2C, where someone can visit an online store, select an item, add to cart, and purchase, all in one session. Your sales cycle might take several months, and this is also why every step of the funnel is important and requires special attention. This recipe is for you if you are already getting a good amount of traffic onto your website, but you don't see that translating to further levels of the funnel. During the awareness phase, people are interested in bite-sized content about your business that clearly explains what you do and how you stand out. Let's see how this works in practice. Segmenting your visitors is the first step. Visitors at the awareness stage are at the top of the funnel, so it is safe to assume that all first-time visitors will fall under this group. You could add additional conditions depending on what makes sense for your business, but simply targeting all new visitors should be a safe bet to begin with. Then, it's time to see what can be optimized on your website. That first visit can be a make or break situation. Visitors can be very quick to bounce off your website, so you have to attract their attention above default. If they're not intrigued by what they see at first glance, they will not scroll down. Make use of that prime real estate. Start with a simple and ideally catchy headline that will grab their attention and express what you do fast. A good headline is key to making sure your value proposition is clear from the get-go. Here are some examples to get you started. The analytics platform trusted by the world's biggest companies to make better decisions. This headline clearly addresses what the company offers, what the value proposition is, and who the company targets as customers. Spending too much time on payroll and not your business? We can fix that. This is another more punchy take on headlines that clearly addresses the value proposition and inspires trust. The all-in-one marketing platform used by millions of SMEs to convert customers and build their brand. Here we see another example of a great headline that offers quick insight into what the company sells, why the visitor should trust them, and what they can accomplish if they use the software. Next up, keep your CTAs low commitment. Someone at the awareness stage is less likely to jump straight into a demo with a sales rep, but you still want to make sure you're moving them through the funnel, one CTA at a time. So here you can make use of a lower commitment CTA, such as learn more or watch video that they would be more likely to click on. Lastly, keep it simple. Don't throw too much information or technicalities at a first-time visitor. For now, your goal is to impress. Once they move to the decision stage, then you can get into the nitty-gritty. At this stage, you can just display a simpler explainer video instead. Additionally, you can highlight happy customers and their quotes to use social proof and show that you are well liked. And to wrap it up, let's take a look at an example. Billable is a billing and revenue management company, and you are now looking at their generic homepage aimed at everyone. Let's see how this page can be optimized for top-of-the-funnel visitors. In this example, you can see that Billable has opted for a more introductory and welcoming tone when it comes to their headline and subhead. They have coupled this approach with a brief video that explains what they do without getting into too much detail. The CTA to book a demo has also been swapped to the lower commitment action of watching video. That's it for this video. Next up, we will focus on mid-funnel visitors. Until then.